Welcome to 394 East Avenue, a beautifully renovated and incredibly spacious 5+2 bedroom brick home with 7 washrooms, nestled in a well-established neighbourhood of Toronto's highly sought-after West Rouge community. Set nicely back from the street, the driveway can accommodate up to 6 vehicle parking in addition to the double-car garage, while lovingly landscaped gardens, an aggregate concrete walkway, as well as a covered front porch with stone steps and floor offer a befitting entrance into this exceptional home. Its 3,800 square feet of main and upper level living space has been fully renovated and updated with engineered hardwood flooring, both the upper and lower spiral staircases also having been updated, their treads and railings coordinating with the flooring and finished with upgraded pickets, while illuminating the upper staircase and the main level reception area is a stunning cascading chandelier. The glass panels of the double door entrance and its transom are accented with scrolled wrought iron inserts, with the sunken foyer, all the washrooms, the sunken laundry room, and much of the lower level luxuriously finished with polished floor tiles. The reception area also has a double coat closet, as well as a home office with a French door entry. This French door and those in the living and dining rooms all having opaque glass panels, bringing privacy to these spaces when desired. Pot lighting is featured throughout the home and complements the abundance of natural light that streams into the main and upper levels through large, well-placed windows in almost all of the rooms. The generously sized formal entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms are open to each other, the dining room additionally featuring the ambient brightness of a modern light fixture and direct access from the kitchen. A showpiece of modern elegance, the reimagined kitchen blends stainless steel, creamy shades of white, and pops of gold-colored accents within its incredibly functional design. Stainless steel appliances include a 2-drawer French door fridge, built-in wall oven and microwave, dishwasher, as well as a 5-burner gas cooktop and range hood. The cabinetry has upper moldings, 3 glass-paneled accent doors, and extensive storage, its valance lighting accentuating quartz backsplashes and countertops. The undermount sink is set below a window with backyard views, and as a striking contrast, the base cabinets of the island are a deep blue shade, the island having seating, a quartz counter with waterfall edge, and pendant lighting. The garden door walkout from here, as well as the breakfast room windows, have California shutters, the walkout opening onto a raised deck in the fully fenced private backyard. The deck steps down to an aggregate concrete walkway that starts at the north backyard gate, which continues alongside the deck to a partially covered and quite large aggregate concrete patio area, the concrete walkway further continuing to the south backyard gate, then along the south side of the home to the front yard. Nestled between the kitchen and the family room, the breakfast room has an openness to the level above, enjoying the natural light from a second-story window and the added brightness of a cascading chandelier suspended from its soaring 17-foot cathedral ceiling. Spacious, yet still evoking an aura of intimacy, the family room is well suited for impromptu gatherings. Its media wall reimagined to include built-in display shelves with an eye-catching design, which flank the aesthetically pleasing, polished tile facade surrounding the room's modern built-in fireplace. The main and upper level washrooms have been fully updated, all showcasing polished tile finishes, plus upgraded lighting, fixtures, and toilets, with the main level's 3-piece washroom featuring a frameless LED mirror, a floating vanity, and a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads. And the main level's sunken laundry room has cabinetry storage, an updated stainless steel sink, a front-load washer and dryer, a side door entry, access from the garage, plus a secondary hardwood staircase to the lower level. The open riser spiral staircase carries to an upper level that showcases a circular hallway open to below, as well as 5 spacious bedrooms, all with well-appointed ensuite washrooms. The 5th bedroom has a double closet, a ceiling fan, a niche that is ideal as a sitting or study area, and semi-private access to a Jack and Jill washroom. This, the remaining bedrooms, and 2 of the 4 washrooms, all featuring custom roller blinds on their windows. The 4th bedroom also has a double closet, as well as an upgraded modern light fixture, and shares with the 5th bedroom access to the 3-piece Jack and Jill washroom, which features a space-saving vanity and a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads. The 3rd bedroom has a ceiling fan and a double closet as well, plus a private 3-piece ensuite washroom featuring rainfall and handheld shower heads with its glass shower, a floating vanity, and a frameless LED mirror. The 2nd bedroom features an upgraded modern light fixture and ample closet storage, and has semi-private access to the 4-piece common use washroom, which also has upgraded modern light fixtures, as well as a vanity with a stone counter and undermount basins, a frameless LED mirror, and a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads. Beyond double doors is the graciously sized master suite, which has a sitting area, a ceiling fan, and 2 spacious walk-in closets. As well as a gorgeous ensuite washroom showcasing a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads, a freestanding tub with a handheld shower, and a vanity with undermount basins, a quartz counter, and a frameless mirror. The fully finished lower level brings an impressive 1,900 square feet of additional living space to the home. But with access via a secondary staircase from the laundry room, this level can also be utilized as a fully self-contained 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom in-law suite for multi-generational families. The secondary staircase leads to a lower landing with access to storage, and also off the landing is a laundry room with a washer, dryer, and cabinetry storage, a 3-piece washroom with a glass shower, and a vanity with a stone counter, as well as the first of the 2 bedrooms. Both bedrooms featuring wooden flooring, good-sized closets, and oversized basement windows. Also off the landing is a double French door entry into a very spacious recreation area with wooden flooring. This room and the adjacent kitchen area both having oversized basement windows as well. The second washroom, which is between the kitchen and second bedroom, features a vanity with a stone counter and a bath area with sliding glass shower doors, while the kitchen itself showcases an upgraded light fixture in its dining area, cabinetry with crown moldings and exceptional storage, a glass and stone tiled backsplash, a stone countertop, as well as stainless steel appliances and a double undermount sink. Steps to Kirkdean Park and TTC bus service, a short walk to places of worship, West Rouge Junior Public School, and a grocery store, as well as having quick, easy access to Highway 401. This home is also just minutes from both Port Union Waterfront and Rouge National Urban Parks, plus the waterfront trail along Lake Ontario, community centres, the Rouge Hill GO Station, and neighbourhood shopping plazas. With the Scarborough Town Centre and Smart Centre Scarborough East shopping malls, the Toronto Zoo, the Toronto Pan Am Sports Centre, and post-secondary campuses, all just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.